At Ski-Doo, we're committed to innovation, and each season, we make it our mission to introduce new and useful products that meet and exceed the needs of Ski-Doo owners. For the 2027 model year, we have some exciting new accessories that will make your snowmobiling experience even better. When you're riding, comfort is key, and this season, Ski-Doo has some great new accessories to maximize your ride experience. These accessories allow you to customize your vehicle to match your body and build, making it easy to fine-tune your riding position and stance. Without a doubt, Ski-Doo has some of the best handling sleds for every discipline, whether you're riding in, tackling backcountry bumps, cruising all day on the trails, or getting work done in the bush. Every rider is unique, and there isn't just one single handlebar setup that works for everyone. So this season, Ski-Doo offers 3 new adjustable handlebar risers to ensure the perfect handlebar height for your size and riding style. We have a 90 to 120 millimeter, a 120 to 160 millimeter, and a 150 to 220 millimeter version. These risers have between 4 and 8 adjustment points depending on the model and allow you to find the perfect handlebar position to match your reach and riding style, making sure hands are always positioned lower than your elbows when sitting down, minimizing fatigue and maximizing strength in the long haul. To adapt to seated or standing positions, you can adjust the riser height with a quick flip of a lever and then lock it back into place just as easily. So you guessed it, no tools are needed. Simply make your adjustments and continue to dominate the snow. Next, we have 2 new adjustable seats for your sled, a low to medium height version and a medium to high height version. These will allow you to change your seat height to best suit your stature and set the angle of your knee at 100 degrees for optimal riding position. A taller rider would opt for the high position, while a shorter rider would opt for a lower seat setting. They also have a storage compartment under the seat, a perfect place to store an extra drive belt. Our new adjustable bumper moves up and down to provide better leverage when moving your snowmobile by hand. If your sled is stuck off trail, you can adjust the angle of the bumper so you can get more leverage when lifting the back of the sled, allowing for proper posture when lifting, reducing strain on yourself. This is great for when you're working in the garage and need to move your snowmobile around. As snowmobile technology advances, we strive to ensure Ski-Doo electronics are both handy and user-friendly. Our new induction charger, which works in conjunction with your Ski-Doo heated cell phone holder, uses electromagnetic induction to charge your cell phone, providing 5 watts of wireless energy transfer, allowing you to eliminate using a charge cord and making it no longer necessary to remove your gloves to plug in your phone. Note that BRP Go still requires connection to your gauge. If you've ever been stopped on the side of the trail while riding at night or in low visibility, then our new alert light is for you. How it works is an electric module allows your snowmobile's tail light to remain on and active in a flashing mode for up to 15 minutes, even when the vehicle is shut off. This provides better visibility of your sled to oncoming vehicles and lets other riders on the trail know they're coming up on a stopped vehicle and that a rider is present. The flash mode can be deactivated by a manual switch. It's always good practice to keep 1 or 2 fingers ready on your brake lever while riding. The problem has always been that your digits can be left exposed to frigid winter temps. That's why our new heated brake lever is something we think every rider will appreciate. The new heated lever replaces the stock brake lever and features high, low, and off settings to match the conditions you're riding in. Its toolless design offers 6 easy incremental adjustments for optimal grip, and its shape and size are perfect for 1 or 2 fingers. Now, if you want maximum warmth on the coldest winter rides, you can keep both your hands warm with the LINQ Sport Handlebar Muffs that offer complete mobility of your hands while providing excellent wind protection. These are specially designed for sleds with handguards and use the LINQ Nano system, delivering a solid mount and easy installation and removal. Plus, when not in use, they fold down and pack tight for easy storage. The new LINQ 60-liter Sport Utility Cargo Box is snow and water resistant, and 4 LINQ anchors can be added on top of the lid to install more 16-inch LINQ accessories for additional storage. The bottom of the box also features 4 hook attachment points to help secure cargo, and the lid can also be removed so that it can be used as an open box to increase the utility functionality. The new LINQ Cargo Organizer is a semi-rigid storage solution that mounts on the inner lid of the new 60-liter cargo box, as well as last year's 135-liter cargo box. This system attaches and removes easily using our LINQ Nano attachment system and is designed to carry ice fishing gear such as rods, tip-ups, and basic tackle. Closed cell foam inserts ensure that your expensive gear will be protected on the way out to your ice hut and can also be used for general storage. Either way, you can rest assured your stuff is secure while you ride. Ski-Doo's commitment to thoughtful innovation continues to set the standard for the entire snowmobile industry. Our goal is to deliver that Ski-Doo feeling by focusing on practical, user-friendly solutions that maximize comfort, convenience, and performance. Our dedication to snowmobiling runs deep in every design and accessory we offer.